One of the biggest struggles I had as a psychiatric nurse practitioner new grad, hands down, was patients coming to me on combinations, controlled substances primarily, combinations that I was not comfortable with, and pushing me, insisting that this was the only combination that worked for them, and saying things like, my last prescriber did this, I have no idea why you have an issue with it. And I had this internal struggle with wanting to do what was right for my patient, not wanting to get in trouble with my state board, wanting to help my patient. It just was really, really hard. And I felt like I was having the same conversation day in, day out about basically setting my prescribing policies, which I think was a good thing to do from the start, because when I failed to do that, it's a lot harder to change your tune if you don't kind of start off on that, having those boundaries from the start. And then explaining my clinical rationale. Sometimes this would land well, sometimes it wouldn't. But it was just exhausting, feeling like I was having the same conversation because I cared, but then being made to feel like I didn't care because ultimately I wasn't giving them what they were coming in to me hoping to get. So anyway, hands down, the hardest adjustment for me about being a new grad psych NP. And I just want to validate, if you're feeling like this, you're definitely not alone. I think we have all had this challenge, and you are allowed to say no. It's your license. You need to protect it. You've worked hard.